Hi everyone, it's me again. Last time we've been doing some improvement decoration for the Mustang Mach-E, and today we have another upgrade. Is for the mirror cover. So today I have the carbon cover from Extreme online store. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install it to the Mustang Mach-E 2023. Okay, at first let's review the cover. So this is the carbon that I ordered from the Extreme store online store, and look at this. It's very light, but the quality is look really good. It's come with two cover and have a the tape, like the two-way tape, then we can install it. So I assuming that we need to put the tape around here, around the cover, and then we're gonna put it like cover the mirror. Okay, let's do it. Okay, the first step, we may need to cut the tape and put it around the side of the corner. So yeah, go ahead and put it on. Okay, the next step, we're gonna put it on, but make sure you clean this surface very clean with some wiper spray. Yeah, make sure you clean it very careful. Okay, after we clean the mirror, we peel off the all of the tape, and now we put it on. It's easy peasy. Alright, that is. Make sure all of the places stick together, and that's how it looks. Awesome. It's beautiful.